Are you feeling too much physically exhausted after coming from office? Then this video is going to help you. In this video, I am going to tell you 3 ways how you can increase the energy level after coming from office. But before even that, I will tell you a shocking truth. What, like, after knowing what, you will realize that why are you feeling that much exhaustion after coming from office. So ready for the video? If you are new to this channel, if you don't know me, just let me introduce myself. Hi, I am Sudeshna. I am a mindset coach and healer, and I am on a mission to help people so that they can achieve their emotional freedom. So now let's start. Like I told that I will tell you a shocking truth, which is, even though you are feeling that you are physically exhausted, but maybe it's not everything physical. I used to feel the same when I was working in corporate, and at around 8, 8:30 after coming from office, I used to feel very, very tired, and I used to feel that maybe it's because of this all the like journey and work and everything. But then I realized, when I started learning all those mindset coaching and healing, I realized that physical exhaustion is one part, which may be 20 to 30%, but mostly you are emotionally exhausted. But you will say, Sudeshna, what is emotionally exhausted? I will tell you what is that emotional exhaustion. So, most of the time in the daytime, from the time you wake up till the time you come back from office, you have to think how much positive emotions you had and how much negative emotions you have. So the step one, how you can first understand that what is emotional exhaustion is, take a diary for a week and note it down every 2 hours, that what are you feeling. So every 2 hours, set an alarm in your mobile and check that moment in your office or wherever you are. Maybe you are having a business, you are working somewhere, or whatever is that scene. Just check. Set an alarm in your mobile. Check what emotions you are feeling every 2 hours. It can be either positive, it can be either negative. So positive emotions are like feeling love, gratitude, worthy, confident, all those positive emotions. And then the negative emotions are self doubt, anger, blame and complain, feeling not worthy, like unworthy, all those negative emotions. So first you have to understand, so you have to write it down every 2 hours, what is that emotions you are feeling, not only positive or negative, but what is that emotion. So maybe like at 12 you are feeling okay, okay, like it's okay. So don't mention okay. Try to mention, really I am feeling any positive emotions. If I am not feeling any positive emotions, then really I am feeling any negative emotions. So you have to ask yourself initial few days. Like that, you have to maintain your diary for the 7 days. After 7 days, you have to check that how many times in a day you felt positive and negative, and create, I mean, then calculate as a percentage. Like maybe you have divided into 10 slots. So morning 7, then 9, then 11, then 1 p.m., like this. So in that 10 slots, how many times you have witnessed positive emotions, how many times you have witnessed negative emotions. Based on that, you can easily calculate the percentage. And now check the days when you felt more negative emotion. Check in the evening. I'm sure that day you will feel more exhaustion. So now you can realize, after you do that exercise, you will realize that our exhaustion, what we feel and believe that it's physical exhaustion, it's not only physical, it's mostly emotional exhaustion. So now that you are convinced, and you will be more convinced if you do that, whatever I told you, if you do that, then only you will be confirmed that yes, Sudeshna is right. So now what to do? So now you will tell that, okay, I agree that this is emotional exhaustion. What to do? So the second step is, after coming from office, don't just sit and scroll through all those social media, even though you feel that that's a way of relaxation you are doing, but it is giving your mind a continuous dopamine boost. And your mind, in front of most of you are working in front of laptop, computer or something else, so your mind is already so much of stress, your eyes are so much of stress, and even after coming from office, if you are continuously watching something in social media, it will continuously give you that dopamine rush. So your mind will not be able to calm, and if your mind is not calm, your body will also not feel calm. So even though maybe because of social media, some news or something, you will feel the excitement, but that excitement is very, very temporary, and it is actually giving you some deep tiredness in your body, which you don't understand that time. But the next morning when you wake up, even after 7 to 8 hours of sleep, you don't feel that freshness. So the first instruction is, do not scroll through the social media after coming from office. Maybe it's hard, so initial few days just keep your mobile switched off after coming from office, after doing all those very important calls or whatever you want to do. The second step is, please do meditations, and if you know any healing or if you want to do healing, please do it, meditation and healing, at least 15 to 20 minutes every night before sleep, because that is the way your brain got relaxed and calm. I know we all know it, but are you really doing it? That's the question. Because knowing is not going to help you, doing is only going to help you. So do it. I have many small healing and meditation video in my YouTube channel. You can practice from my YouTube channel, or you can practice from anywhere. I have a community where we are practicing live every day from 8:30 to 9. If you want to join that live healing session, it's for my paid community member. You can join the WhatsApp community below, mentioned in the description. You can join that, and you can reach out to the admin number that yes, you are interested to join our daily healing session. It's of very, very small amount. It's of, like, by paying only 1,000 rupees you can attend that daily healing session, and you can feel 100x difference after attending 1 to 2 to 3 months, and you will feel the difference inside you. But even though you are not able to join the live sessions, practice it from any recording. If you join the WhatsApp community, there is a good news. You will get a gift of my meditations and healing session if you join, and if you want it, you can reach out to the admin number, and our team will forward you the details. Thank you so much that you have watched till end, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell icon. And if you really feel that some of your colleagues are really, really getting stressed out after coming from office, please share it with them, because sharing might not cost you anything, but maybe this information, and if they apply in their life, maybe it can help in their life. Thank you so much. Bye bye.